Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Callie Cat? Hi. Hi. Y'all, so today I got to tell you about a deal. I mean, it is rare that I am like, oh my goodness, I have to come on and tell you about this one product, this one deal. But I found one. Yeah, this was on Amazon. And I still can't believe it, y'all. I got it for 52% off. 52% off. And it's still on sale as of today, which is March 30th. Oh my goodness. This is the $1 Billion Brow Best Sellers Kit. Yes, you heard me right. Best Sellers Kit. It's got a universal brow pencil in it. It's got a brow duo pencil in it. It has a brow gel and a sculpting brush. Perfect for defining your brows. It is normally a $35 value. I paid $16.95 for it. So let's look at it. But wait, there's more. It actually came in the $1 Billion Brow, not from Amazon, from the $1 Billion Brow. Uh-oh. I had to open it up because I didn't remember what it was at first. Does it say, hey babe, have a $1 billion day? Let's have a $1 billion day. I'd love to have $1 billion. Wouldn't you like to have $1 billion? I'd spend it all on makeup and clothes. But I would have said I had it. Okay, I'm over it. Beautiful brows begin here. Oh, 15% off your next order. It's official. Yes, VIP 15, y'all. So if you want to go and buy something from them, there's your code. My foot's asleep. Okay, price sheet. Oh, wait. So actually the prices went up since I purchased them. They were $13.11 each when I purchased them. So now they're $16. So yeah, better get them before the price goes up again. Oh my goodness, let's look at them. Yes, I bought two. One for me and one for you. I am going to do a giveaway with these. Let's do it right now. We're going to do a surprise giveaway. Okay, so if you want this $1 Billion Brow set, you got to write the word below that I got to think of before I finish. Let's look at the product. Let's look at this best-selling kit, best sellers kit. I'm sorry. So you're going to get 4 items in here. 4 items. Looky, oh my goodness. So first you have the Brow Duo Pencil Concealer and Highlighter. So here's the concealer. Okay, that's nice. It goes on pretty smooth. And here is the highlighter side. They're pretty smooth and creamy for a pencil. And they blend pretty well too. I hope it's not being too shiny. Very nice. I can't believe there's 4 products in one. So you got the $1 Billion Brow Gel. I actually think I have some of this in my vanity already. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's not this exact one. So it's just like a mascara blonde and you just brush it and yes, love it. Then you have your smudge brush. I do like the smudge brushes because I'm not precise. Not precise at all. Beautiful, beautiful brush. Look at the tip on that thing. It is lovely. And this is the universal brow pencil. It has a spoolie on one end. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. So this is supposed to be a universal color. You can make it as dark or as light as you want, I believe. That's how it goes. Look at that. You see, the more I went over it, the darker it got. So you can really adjust it to you. That's awesome. And there is your spoolie. Good and secure spoolie. I don't like the brushes where the spoolie is so loose and it'll turn and stuff. I like it to be a secure spoolie. This one is secure. So exciting. Universal brow pencil formulated to work beautifully with most skin tones and hair colors. This amazing eyebrow pencil goes on smooth and natural. So is this not cool? I mean, I definitely think it was worth the price. I think it's worth the price it is now, the price I got it for. But yeah, get on there before they're gone. I will put a referral link below because I'm affiliated with Amazon. So what you get from Amazon may or may not give me a commission. I am not really sure. But yes, isn't this awesome? Cute set. And this one is gonna go to whoever I can only ship to the lower 48 because of pricing on shipping. But yeah, we'll just do a fun little giveaway. I may throw a few extra items in with it, you know, just because that's what I do. Casually, just playing in paper. Y'all, thanks so much for spending time with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. You have to be publicly subscribed to win this giveaway. Subscribe to me. It is a free subscription. Anytime you subscribe to anybody on YouTube, it doesn't cost you a thing. It just helps us out immensely. Please don't forget to share that information with your friends. Share the video link. Tell them, hey, they're doing a giveaway. All you gotta do is publicly subscribe and have an address that's in the lower 48. I mean, hey, say your cousin lives in the lower 48, but you're in Alaska or you're in Canada. You want me to ship it to them? I can do that too. Don't forget to check down below for all the other rules because I don't have them all in my head because I didn't know I was going to do this. Y'all, I hope you enjoy it. Have a wonderful day and God bless.